In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Starbucks gift card balance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to read your remaining balance with confidence, so you're never left guessing at the register. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Starbucks gift cards page. If you're searching, make sure you select the official Starbucks website so you're on a secure, trusted page. You should see a dedicated area for gift cards, and within that section, look for the option labeled Check Balance. The wording may vary slightly by region, but it will clearly point to checking a gift card's balance. Go ahead and click it to open the balance checker. You'll now see two fields to fill in. In the first field, enter your 16-digit card number. This number is printed on your physical card, often on the front, and for digital or e-gift cards, it appears in the email or message you received. Type the digits exactly as shown and don't include spaces or dashes, just the numbers themselves. If you make a mistake, delete and re-enter slowly to avoid typos. Next, enter the 8-digit security code. On a physical card, this code is on the back, typically under a scratch-off covering. Scratch gently to reveal the numbers without damaging them. For e-gift cards, the security code will be included with your card details. Treat this code like cash. Keep it private and only use it on the official site. With both the 16-digit card number and the 8-digit security code entered, click the Check Balance button. Give it a moment to process. If everything is correct, the page will display your remaining balance. This is the exact amount available to spend on that card. Some pages may also show basic card details, but the key number to note is the balance itself. If the result doesn't appear or you see an error, double check that every digit is correct and that you haven't included extra spaces. Re-enter the numbers carefully and try again. If the code was hard to read, verify that each digit is accurate. Occasional delays can happen, so a quick refresh and careful re-entry often resolves it. That's all there is to it. You've gone to the Starbucks gift cards page, clicked Check Balance, entered your 16-digit card number and 8-digit security code, clicked Check Balance again, and viewed your remaining balance. Keep a quick note or screenshot if you want a record for later. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next visit.